I'm gonna make my 50-50 bacon and beef burger with my brand new Homgeek meat grinder that I haven't used yet. I took all the pieces apart and washed them. You can see how easy it is to put back together. See, all the attachments. It's really easy. And it goes that way. Then you got this blade, which wouldn't really cut you, but be careful anyway. It's not real sharp, but it's good for meat. Then you pick your size that you want. Big, real small, or medium. I'm going to go with medium right now. And this goes in a notch inside of here. If you can see that, there's a notch. See? And you put this on. Hold it in place firmly. I'm so hungry. But you knew that already. Tight. Everything's tight and solid. Push this. Locking pin. Turn it this way. Push in firmly and turn. When you want to release it is when you press this black button, because that locks it in place. Everything's solid there. And plug this in. Remember, this has forward and reverse. And remember also, this is the first time I'm using this. And it's going to be good. We don't need this sausage attachment right now, or these other tips. I'm excited. Can't wait. Put this on top. Pusher. You see? I have a pound of bacon. I have 1 pound of boneless chuck beef cubes. Angus. That's $5.53 a pound. That's not bad, I think. I don't know. And I'm gonna grind it all out into a bowl, make myself 2 big hamburgers. If there's anything left, I might make some meatballs for something later. You ready? Can you see all right? Exciting, isn't it? Sure is. Get the bacon. Oh, easy peel. Let's see. Ain't got time for that. We're gonna use it all, if you don't mind. I can't wait to make sausage. I'm getting a lot of tips from people, and we made it before. Well, we made bologna in the past. Maybe you saw that video, but I didn't have a meat grinder. We borrowed one. It didn't help that day. Look at this. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna put some beef cubes up there, some bacon up there. Maybe you want to come over closer for this, do you? Ready? How much should I put up there? Put a lot, right? Using it all. Half and half. I was thinking what to make with this. Me and my buddy Steve were talking the other day, right, Steve? Steve wants one too. I don't know if there's gonna be any left, Steve. Okay, I'm gonna press on. Forward. First time. Bacon and ground beef. Angus. think? That's it, huh? Wow, what do you think of that? I love it. Man, that's gonna make a lot of hamburgers, huh? 50-50. There we go. I'm just gonna form these into some patties. Let me heat up my cast iron skillet over here. And we'll be ready. Okay, my pan should be hot enough. Take a nice handful of this. Boy. I'm not greasing the pan because there should be enough grease in with the bacon, right? Are we gonna shrink? Don't matter. It's gonna be good however it comes out. There we go. 1. Oh, no sizzle yet? Come on. 2. I have enough for meatballs. See that? Or more hamburgers if you're coming over. There comes the sizzle. There we go. All right. Be back in a couple minutes. I covered it with a lid. See what time it is? 9:54 a.m. It's breakfast time. Boy. This is good any time of the day. You know that. Flip them over. Looking good, huh? Boy. You know how to smell? I don't know if I should cover them up or not. What do you think? I think so. Oh, it smells so good. I'll cover this up. I am going to make some meatballs or something out of that. Or more hamburgers for supper. Who knows? Gotta be done. Look at those babies. Crunchy. Oh, getting a little charcoaled. Two slices of American cheese on both. Time to eat. They're melted. Oh, get my bones. Got a couple of good bones here. Oh boy. What am I gonna do first? Get them out. Ooh. Oh. Steve. Want one? Want a bite? Where's my chair? Time to eat, come on. Got some good stuff here too. Oh! Got some mayo, got some pickles. Got some horseradish mustard from Jim, Katie, and Elliot, remember? Ketchup. Alright now. Let's see. Ketchup and mustard on top. Maybe you don't like that. It's okay. But I do. Pickles. Not olive. Bread and butter chips. Bread and butter, bread and butter, bread and butter, bread and butter. On the bottom I like some mayo and tomato and lettuce if I had, but I don't know if I have lettuce, but anyway. That would be a bacon, lettuce, and tomato burger then, wouldn't it? I like mayo. Make yours how you like it when you get your meat grinder. Mayo and slice of tomato. You ever have a 50-50 burger? 50% bacon, 50% Angus beef. Our finger looking good already. Take a bite. Oh. Oh. Bacon and Angus beef. How much would they charge for one of these at the place? Bacon. Oh, that's hot. That's the best burger I ever ate in my whole life, I think. Well, that bacon wrap cheeseburger was pretty good that I made. But this is good. Ah, try that. Get yourself a Homgeek meat grinder. We're gonna make sausage soon. Whatever else we think up. Okay? Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me for breakfast. I would eat both of these. Alright. Have a good day. Please subscribe. Woo.